Michael Shanahan is an American football coach who is the head coach of the San Francisco 49ers of the National Football League. He previously served as the offensive coordinator for the Atlanta Falcons, Cleveland Browns, Washington Redskins and Houston Texans. With the Falcons in 2016, he coordinated an offense that led the league in points, scored and helped the team reach Super Bowl 51. Shanahan was hired as the head coach by the 49ers in 2017, replacing Chip Kelly. In his third season with the team, Shanahan led the 49ers to a Super Bowl appearance in Super Bowl 54. Shanahan was born in Minneapolis, Minnesota, while his father Mike Shanahan coached at the University of Minnesota. He attended Saratoga High School in Saratoga, California in 1994, while his father worked as offensive coordinator for the San Francisco 49ers. He later attended Cherry Creek High School in Greenwood Village, Colorado, while his father served as head coach of the Denver Broncos. Shanahan accepted a scholarship offer by Carl Franks of Duke University but chose to transfer as redshirt freshman to the University of Texas at Austin. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.